The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Vance County, Eastern Orange County, Southern Granville County, Northern Wake County, Durham County, Northwestern Franklin County, until 2:45 p.m. At 1:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Butner, or 7 miles west of Creedmoor, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Durham, Chapel Hill, Henderson, Oxford, Hillsborough, Creedmoor, Lewisburg, Wake Forest, and Carrboro. This includes the following highways: Interstate 85 between mile markers 163 and 222. Interstate 40 near mile marker 162, and between mile markers 259 and 283. Interstate 540 between mile markers 0 and 14. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. If on or near area lakes, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Durham, Franklin, Granville, Orange, Vance, and Wake.